Hello, little chefs. Today we are going to cook up some yummy treats while we count from 1 to 20. Are you ready? Let's go! First, we are going to make a delicious pizza. Yay!
Yay!
But wait, our pizza has no toppings. Let's add them together. 1 tomato slice. 2 green peppers. 3 black olives. 4 mushroom slices. 5 pepperoni. Yay! Our pizza looks delicious. Great counting. Let's repeat it one more time. 1 tomato slice. 2 green peppers. 3 black olives. 4 mushroom slices. 5 pepperoni. Yay! Our pizza looks delicious. Great counting.
Now, let's bake a yummy cake. Yay!
Yay!
But it looks so plain. Let's make it colorful and sweet.
6 strawberries on top. 7 chocolate chips. 8 rainbow sprinkles. 9 swirls of frosting. 10 candles.
We're in a donut factory where donuts roll down. Wow.
Wow!
Let's count them all. 11 plain donuts. Oh, they look boring.
Aww.
12 donuts get dipped in gooey chocolate.
Yummy, yummy.
13 donuts with strawberry glaze, so pink and shiny.
Awesome!
14 donuts get rainbow sprinkles. Whoa.
Wow!
15 donuts get a swirl of honey, sticky, sweet, and delicious.
We're in an ice cream factory. Let's count the ice cream scoops as we build the biggest ice cream ever.
Ice cream!
6 scoops of chocolate drop in. Chocolatey.
Sweet, salty socks!
17 scoops of strawberry come next.
Whoa!
18 scoops of mint ice cream. So colorful.
Awesome!
19 scoops of vanilla with rainbow sprinkles. 20 rainbow scoops. Wow, so amazing.
Yay!
Thanks for learning with me. See you next time. Bye-bye.
For watching and learning with us. See you next time.